close-up. Motion pictures grew into big business, and its headquarters still remain in Los Angeles. It's a tough business. It requires a lot of giving. Some people figure they should only take. When they do, I go to work. I carry a bag.
The story you are about to see is true. The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
It was Tuesday, March 14th. We were working a day watch out of Burgundy Offset Division. The boss is Captain Mac. It was 9:20 a.m. Bill had his problems. What's the matter? You got a stiff neck?
Oh, always sit busy. Of course I've got a stiff neck, Joe. And it's Eileen's fault.
Is that right?
She's a fresh air fiend. Claims she can't sleep unless the window's wide open. Doesn't matter how cold it is, she's got You know, before you get married, there's certain things you gotta find out after it's too late. One, you've got to find out if she can cook. Now, if anyone else can't cook, you find a cook, marry her. Two, find out if you enjoy the same TV show.
You think that's terribly important, do you?
You bet. Joe, what do you do on a date?
To go out to dinner, maybe taking a movie or a play?
Exactly. But wait until you get married now.